Good morning, students. We are studying the 7th chapter of your book, From the Window. In the first video of this lesson, we studied that Omana's train entered the state of Goa, and now her train is going from Goa to Karnataka state and from Karnataka to Kerala state. In this chapter, we will study about the journey of the train from Goa to Kerala. Let me remind you that Omana is writing diary for her friend Radha, who got fractured her leg. Now Omana is in train and she is writing all her journey experiences in the diary. This is page number 57 of your book and the date is 17th May and time you can see in the clock is 11:30. Omana is writing, the last few hours have been so exciting. After breakfast, I climbed on the upper berth to read my comics. It was bright and sunny outside. Suddenly, it was become very dark. Why, students? Because you can see the train is entering the tunnel. Whenever a train enters a tunnel, there is always a darkness in the environment outside the train, but immediately the lights in the trains, they were set on and she felt very relaxed because she was very scared for the darkness. Now the train has crossed the tunnel and Appa explained that we were now on the other side of the mountain. And Omana is feeling very bright light after the train left the tunnel. Now you can see the train is coming out of the tunnel. This is the tunnel, outer part of the tunnel. What is tunnel? A tunnel is a passage built through a hill. Now there are two questions. Have you ever been through a tunnel? How did you feel? The answer is yes, I have been through a tunnel. In the beginning, I used to feel nervous, but not anymore because I know it is all safe. Next question is, the route from Goa to Kerala had a total of 2000 bridges and 92 tunnels. Why do you think there are so many bridges and tunnels? This is a map of India and I am showing you the route from Goa to Kerala. You can see. And we have to tell why there are so many tunnels and bridges. So the answer is, in the route of Goa to Kerala, the train has to pass through sea coast, many water bodies and hills. So to cross them, there are so many bridges and tunnels. Now again it is 17th May but time is 12:15. Omana is writing, now it is afternoon. For lunch we have idli vada and the station is Udupi. Or Udupi mein they also bought banana, idli vada and banana they bought from the station. And now the train has entered the state of Karnataka and see how beautiful scene is it. And there are so many coconut trees, you can see. These are the coconut trees. The houses and the villages look very different. People's clothes are different from what we see in the Ahmedabad. जो अहमदाबाद में लोगों ने कपड़े पहने थे वो बिल्कुल यहाँ डिफरेंट है, क्योंकि अहमदाबाद में बेटा आप लोगों को पता है कि गुजरात में घाघरा चोली और वो ये देखिए आप पहनी जाती है और इस तरह साड़ी ड्रेप की जाती है. लेकिन कर्नाटका में पीपल वियर दिस टाइप ऑफ क्लोथ्स. You can see dhoti, kurta and sari draping is entirely different. Ahmedabad and many people who were with us from Ahmedabad, they got off. People have also got onto the train from different stations. अब उनके साथ जो सुनील की फैमिली थी, they are also getting off at Kozhikode, which comes at around 6 o'clock. See, this is Kozhikode. It is in the state of Kerala. Means now train will be entering the state of Kerala. These are few questions on page number 58. Which language do you speak at home? You can write your mother tongue name. On the way from Gujarat to Kerala, Omana's train went through several states of country. Find out and list which state it crossed. Train started from Gujarat and crossed Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and entered Kerala. Did you ever have coconut water? How did you find it? Discuss. Coconut water feels very sweet and refreshing. Draw a coconut tree and discuss. You can draw a coconut tree in your notebook. Another question is, find out in which state these languages are spoken. Here its name is written about Malayalam. Do you know where Malayalam is spoken? Malayalam is spoken in Kerala and Konkani is spoken in Goa. Marathi is spoken in Maharashtra. Gujarati is spoken in Gujarat and Kannada is spoken in Karnataka. As you can see, I have written all these states, name of states where these languages are spoken. Now again 17th May, the time is 9:30. It's night. We have started packing up because उनकी भी ट्रेन अब वहाँ पर अपने डेस्टिनेशन पे is going to arrive and they are arriving at Kottayam where her Valiamma's house is there. In Malayalam, Valiamma means Mausi, elder sister of the mother. So they are going to their elder sister's mother first. From there they will be going to Ammuma's house. Ammuma's means mother's mother, means Nani house. So they are going to their Nani house after reaching Valiamma's house. So this was the all part of her journey. I hope you must have understood. Thank you and have a nice day.